Hi, my name is Ken. I work here in the Design Center at American Tin Ceiling Company. In this segment I wanted to talk about drop-in style or suspended ceilings. Now we manufacture a tin ceiling panel that'll drop right into a 2x2 grid. It's cut at 23 3/4 inches square, and it gives you about an 1/8 inch of clearance all the way around. Now here you can see our panel. It has a little embossed ridge in it. Now what that does for you is it gives you a little strength and rigidity, and it helps it nest right into the opening in the grid. So I'm going to put this one right up here. See how it drops right in. Now the panels do have a tendency to bow from time to time. What you can do to accommodate that is, here's a standard piece of grid. We make these hold down clips, and all they do is they're going to just ratchet right over the T-bar, and they'll go ahead and put pressure on each side on the panel, and that'll force the panels down and really minimize any kind of inherent bowing in the panel. So here you can see there's a little bit of bowing in the panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this clip right on, and you can see how it closes up the gap. And on this particular ceiling, and most ceilings, you're going to have some areas around the perimeter where it isn't a full 24 by 24 grid area. Now in this example it's 24 by 18. So what I did is I took some filler pieces, and our filler is just it's a generic hand hammered looking metal. You can cut it to any size and it'll look real nice around the perimeter. There's no line, so it absorbs any squareness or anything like that. Now the filler also has a ridge embossed in it, and what we feel looks best is if you put the ridge end against the wall and have the cut end run out back against your panels. So I'm going to put this one up here as well. I'm going to go ahead and install that. Just drops in like so. So now you have the nice embossed edge running against your wall, and your cut piece will be here. Now you're going to have a little more spacing here, and it's not going to nest as nicely, but you'd really have to be standing against the wall looking back to really see that. And you can always, then you're going to use your hold down clips there as well. And the other thing we generally recommend is on the drop ceiling, you want to start on one end. So start with your filler, get that all clipped in, and then so you have access to all the T-bars, and then work your way back. So that's our basic instruction today, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to call our design. Answer any questions or help you with any design projects you need. Thank you.